Groovy and Friends app. All your favourite shows and songs with no ads. Try it for free with our 7-day trial.
Welcome to the Monster Truck Shape Jump Challenge!
Yay!
Bolt is gonna jump over 10 shapes today, and he needs you to cheer him on!
Woohoo!
Bolt is excited and ready to jump!
Yippee!
What shape will he jump first? It's a square! A square has 4 sides. Square. Do you think Bolt can do it? That jump was too easy-sneezy for Bolt.
Yay!
Well, it looks like they're adding a circle to the jump. A circle is round. Circle! Can Bolt clear them both?
Uh-oh. Vroom, vroom!
Amazing!
Whoa.
Well, it looks like they're adding a triangle to the jump. A triangle has 3 sides. Triangle. Can he do it?
Uh-oh. Aha! Oh, yeah! I got this!
Incredible! He is on a roll tonight.
Yeah!
Wow, they are loading up a rectangle. A rectangle has 4 sides. 2 short and 2 long. Rectangle.
Power wings, activate! Yay!
Wowza! This show is Jumptacular!
Yippee!
Yikes! They are pulling out the diamond. A diamond has 4 sides. Diamond! This is intense!
Power propeller! Ta-da!
Holy moly!
Yeah.
Bolt is full of surprises! Wait, what's this? An oval? They have added an oval! Oval! Looks like it could topple over.
Uh-oh. All power engage! Yay!
That was close! But Bolt is not done yet.
Whoa.
Wait, is that a banana? Oh, it's a crescent shape. Same thing, I guess. Ha ha ha! Crescent!
Woohoo! Good thing I'm not afraid of heights.
This is so exciting!
Wow.
Uh-oh, here comes the octagon! An octagon has 8 sides. Octagon!
Tires engage! Ta-da!
I have never seen tire boosters, folks!
Wahoo!
What a show! Looks like they're loading up a heart. I guess they are feeling the love tonight. Heart.
Woohoo!
Let's all show Bolt some love.
Whoa!
Whoa! Bolt barely made it over this time.
Wow.
Looks like they have one more shape in store for Bolt. A star! Can Bolt continue to be the star of this show?
I don't know about this one. I will just have to do my best. Woohoo!
has done it, folks! He has jumped over 10 huge shapes! Square, circle, triangle, rectangle, diamond, oval, crescent, octagon, heart, and star. Monster truck history has been made here today. All jump records are broken. Hey, Bolt, where are you going? Bolt? Bolt? Guess he will have to get his Big Jump Award another time. Until then, Monster Truck fans, keep on trucking and learning those shapes.
Wahoo!
Brand new Groovy and Friends app. All your favourite shows and songs with no ads. And try it for free with our 7-day trial.
Hello, sports fans! My name is Geometrics, and we are shaping up for some full throttle excitement tonight. I don't know about you all, but I'm feeling great! I had 3 square meals, and I'm ready to rock and roll! If you peek into this oval-shaped arena, you'll see all of our contenders revving up their engines, and they are firing on all cylinders. Now, each of our competitors will perform a variety of tricks to amaze and dazzle all you fine folks. First up, we have Bolt.
Yeah!
Bolt will start off the evening by jumping over a cube. A cube has 6 faces that are all squares, and it looks like an ice cube or a toy block. Except this cube is going to be a little bigger than those ice cubes in those drinks you're holding.
Whoa!
And he did it!
Yippee!
Listen to that thunderous applause! Well, sure, he can jump over a giant cube. But what about a giant sphere? A sphere is perfectly round, has no edges, and it looks like a ball or a marble. And look at that! This Bolt fellow must be from another dimension! Now, let's see if he can make his way to the next hemisphere, or at least roll his way over it.
Uh-oh.
A hemisphere is a half of a sphere. The base is a circle, and it looks like half of a watermelon or an upside-down bowl. Amazing!
Wahoo!
Now it's time to bring out our next contender, Ladybug.
Yeah!
Don't let the ladies' looks fool you. This beauty's got the strength of a beast. For her first trick, she's going to pull a giant cylinder into its upright position. A cylinder has 2 flat faces that are circles and looks like a can or a drum. And she did it!
Yippee!
Ladybug will continue to wow us with her brute strength by pulling a large cone all around the track. And no, this cone doesn't have a scoop of ice cream on top. A cone has a circular base that narrows towards a point. It also looks like a party hat or a traffic cone. And look at her go! That may as well be an ice cream cone with the way she's dragging it around the track.
Yeah!
But that's not all. Ladybug's got even more tricks up her sleeve. Now she's going to dazzle us with her amazing coordination as she balances on top of a giant pyramid.
Yahoo!
That's right, on top of a giant pyramid.
Whoa!
A pyramid has a square base with 4 triangular sides. It looks like the Egyptian pyramids or the tops of some houses.
Yay!
Wow! Is there anything this spotted beauty can't do? Last but not least, our third contender is Buzz. And as you can see, our crowd is buzzing with energy for our cheerful little friend. For his first trick, he's going to jump over a giant cuboid. That's right, not a cube, but a cuboid, or rectangular prism as it's often called. A rectangular prism has 6 faces that are all rectangles. It looks like a present or a toy chest. And he did it! For our last trick of the night, Buzz is going to ride up a triangular prism and jump through a torus. Oh my, I don't think I can jump through that torus without getting stuck inside of it. A triangular prism has 2 flat faces that are triangles. It looks like a tent or a wedge of cheese. Yum! A torus doesn't have any edges and has a hole in the middle of it. It looks like a donut or an inner tube.
Wow!
Whoa! That is one for the record books, all right! Let's recap these incredible shapes that challenged our competitors. Cube, sphere, hemisphere, cylinder, cone, pyramid, rectangular prism, triangular prism, torus. All the trucks are winners in my book. Thank you once again for joining us, and don't forget to keep on trucking!
Square,
Yeah!
star, triangle, circle, rectangle, diamond, crescent, arrow, cross, oval, pentagon, octagon, heart, square, star, triangle, arrow, cross, oval, pentagon, circle, rectangle, diamond, crescent, octagon, heart. Square, star, triangle, circle, rectangle, diamond, crescent, arrow, cross, oval, pentagon, octagon, heart, square, star, triangle, arrow, cross, oval, pentagon, circle, rectangle, diamond, crescent, octagon, heart.